This is Magkawas and welcome back. And for this video guys, we prepared some tips for you kung paano ka ba bibili ng iyong first luxury handbag. Well, lahat naman tayong mga girls ay nangarap na magkaroon ng ating first ever luxury handbag. Pero, syempre, dahil first mo yan, so yan yung tipong kailangan pag-isipan mong mabuti dahil yan yung tipong ang tagal mong hinintay at talagang pinag-ipunan nating mabuti. Diba? Para sa mga new viewers natin dyan na hindi pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the bell para may update kayo sa ating mga new videos. At para sa mga litong-lito or hindi alam kung anong bag ang bibili nila as your first luxury handbag, well, stay tuned and watch this video. For our tip number 1, try to think first. What is your purpose of buying a bag? Is it for work, for travel, for leisure? Or do you want something na spacious? Or yung tipong lightweight for crossbody? So isipin mong mabuti kung saan mo ba siya talaga gagamitin or magagamit. At yung tatagal sa'yo. Para hindi ka matulad dito kay ate girl.
Gusto ko itong bag na to. Dali, paki-open naman. Para makita ko, bilis. Ay, oh my God. Ang ganda niya talaga. Ang alam sa mo. Ganda, diba? O sige, ibalot mo na to. Akin na to. Bibiling ko na yan. Ha, sige, bilis. Bilis, oo, bilis.
Here, Mom. Enjoy your new bag.
Oh, thank you. Finally, I'm home and I can try my bag. Bakit ganun? Okay. Oh my God. Cell phone is here. Oh my God. Ang wallet. Ayaw niya magkasya. Bakit ayaw mo? Ang dami ko pang ilalagay. Okay. Ang good thing. Negative din.
O diba, sa sobrang impulsive buyer ni ate, hindi niya nainisip kung magagamit ba niya talaga yung bag na binili niya. As in, pagkakita niya ng bag, na-in-love siya, dahil na-in-love siya, binili niya agad without thinking kung bagay ba sa kanya yung bag or kung kasya ba yung mga gamit niya. So ngayon, problemado siya dahil hindi niya alam kung saan niya gagamitin yung bag niya. Tip number 2, consider also your budget. But if the budget is not a problem, then go directly to your dream bag. But if the budget is limited, then try to look for second-hand shops that offers affordable variety of bags. Madami dyan guys, tulad nitong si ate.
Sis, ba't mo ko?
Eh kasi sis, may gusto akong kaso di ko naman mabili.
Ay, check mo to, sis.
Ano naman yan?
Ito, check mo. Lux online page. Search mo sa Instagram.
Oh, ang ganda ng mga bag nila ha. Kaso sis, Lux online eh, baka mamaya mahal to.
Di, sis. Kahit second hand, meron sila mura.
O talaga? Eh, 20,000 lang yung budget ko dito ha.
Kaya yan, sis.
In fairness, marami silang choices of bag. Hi, ito favorite color ko to, purple. Yeah, very me. Okay, message natin. Ayan. na-message ko na. Wait na lang tayo ng reply. So, yung bilis mag-reply, sige.
O, ayan, diba?
Oo nga. Kaso, sus, paano ito bibilhin? Paano ko ito babayaran?
Ano sila, transfer online. Pwede
talaga?
yan.
Sige, tanong natin. Pwede ba kayo ng bank transfer? Uy, pwede. Pwede. At pasok sa budget ko. 20,000. Sakto. Okay, bilhin ka na. Paano yung delivery fee nito? Baka tagal-tagal naman itong
Like,
dumating.
same day sila.
Uy, in fairness, mamaya dadating na daw yung bag ko. De-deliver na nila. Oh my God. Ang galing mo doon.
Perfect.
You made me happy.
Tip number 3. Look for something na hindi nawawala sa uso. Go for classic ones. They are timeless. Like for LV, example. Go for monogram bags, especially the Never Full and Speedy. They are perfect starter bags. Or you may try Chanel flap, Lady Dior, and Gucci monogram bags. Tip number 4. Consider also the color. Go for neutral or earth colors. Yung madaling bagayan. Black is the best bet, but navy blue, gray, and nude are also perfect colors, easy to match with. If you like a pop color, a vibrant red makes a statement than any other. Pero kung bet nyo naman yung mga vibrant colors like yung mga neon pink, neon orange, yellow, well, it's up to you guys as long as kayang-kaya mo siyang dalhin. As long as carry mo siya. Kanya-kanyang trip lang yan, guys. And for our last tip, of course, syempre, very precious yung bag mo, di ba? Yung tipong, alam mo yun, minsan nga may sentimental value pa sa atin yan na kahit lumang-luma na, kahit matagal na, ayaw nating i-let go dahil yan yung first mo. But never forget na alagaan yung bag mo, just like this. Don't be hard on your bag. Make sure na alagaan mo if you really want na mag-last ang beauty niya. Always put stuffings para hindi ma-deform. And also, buy a leather cleaner to clean the bag once in a while after using it. So yan guys, I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ating video today, and para dun sa mga nalilito-lito kanina kung ano ba yung bibilhin nyo, well, I guess medyo may idea na kayo in your mind kung anong klase ng bag ba yung bibilin mo as your first ever luxury handbag. Yung tipong talagang ita-treasure mo at talagang aalagaan mong mabuti from the bottom of your heart. By the way, gusto ko mag-thank you kay LJ for portraying the role of Ate Girl. Thank you so much, LJ. And also guys, don't forget to like and share this video, and kung meron po kayo mga video request na pwede natin gawin, so just comment lang po kayo sa ating comment box below, and also yung mga suggestions nyo and reactions. Yes, masarap basahin yan guys, positive or negative, we're open to that. And also follow me in my social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter at Bag Talks by Ana. See you again guys. Bye!